Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to make LemFi send money referral code. So let's get started. Now, first download the LemFi application and enter valid referral code during sign up. After that, complete your KYC verification. This includes uploading your ID and verifying your email. Next, send your first qualifying international transfer. It must be one single transfer that meets the minimum amount of your region. For USA, you have to send $100 to $150 to receive a $20 to $30 bonus. If you are in UK, send 50 to £100 to receive a £10 bonus. And if you are in Canada and Europe, you have to send 100 CAD in Canada to receive a 30 CAD bonus, and in Europe just send 50 euros to get a Euro 15 bonus. And that's all. Once your transfer is completed and approved, your bonus will be automatically added to your LemFi wallet. Both you and the referrer will receive the bonus if all terms are met. Now, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.